Hey everyone, welcome back to Cryptomania. And today we've got a special episode. We're breaking down everything that happened in the crypto market over the last 2 days. There's been some turbulence, a lot of speculation, and some big moves you'll want to know about. Let's dive right in. Market overview. Over the past 48 hours, the crypto market has pulled back noticeably. Bitcoin dropped about 2.7%, trading around $107,568. Other major coins also came under pressure. Ethereum, minus 4.4%, XRP, minus 4.7%. The main reason? Macroeconomic uncertainty, particularly the lack of clear signals from the Federal Reserve about potential rate cuts. Technically, Bitcoin tested support below $102,000, and many altcoins fell 5 to 10% in a single day. Market sentiment is now in the extreme fear zone on the Fear and Greed Index. Why is this happening? Interest rates and macro pressure. Markets had hoped for rate cuts, but the Fed's latest comments suggest high rates could persist longer, a negative sign for risky assets like crypto. Tech stock correlation. Big tech names, Tesla, Nvidia, Meta, also dropped sharply, which spilled over into crypto. Technical factors. The $100,000 support level for Bitcoin is crucial. If it breaks, analysts warn the next stop could be around 90K to 74K. Psychology. Many traders are taking profits after a long rally. Altcoins in particular are showing fatigue and reduced momentum. Breakdown by asset. Bitcoin, BTC, testing the 100K zone. Investors see this as both a danger level and a potential re-entry opportunity. Ethereum, ETH, also under pressure, down about 5 to 6% daily. Altcoins, volatility is even higher. While most are dropping, a few exceptions stand out. For example, Aster token surged plus 27%, showing that microtrends still exist even in weak markets. If you're holding alts, expect sharper price swings than Bitcoin. That's just how smaller caps behave. What this means for new investors. This isn't the time to panic, but it's also not the time to buy impulsively. Practical advice? Diversify your portfolio. Don't go all in on one coin. Risk management. Always use stop losses or at least plan your exits. Think long-term. Market corrections are normal and often healthy. Remember, crypto volatility doesn't mean something's wrong. It is the nature of the market. What's next? Market scenarios. Optimistic scenario. If the Fed hints at lower rates or global markets stabilize, Bitcoin could rebound to 116 to 120K. Base scenario. Consolidation. BTC trades between 104K to 116K with altcoins drifting sideways. Bearish scenario. If 100K fails to hold, Bitcoin could test 90K or even 74K, dragging altcoins down further. Watch the macro signals closely. Don't just buy and forget. It's time to stay alert and manage your exposure. Key trends to watch. Regulatory and institutional. The market is awaiting clear updates from U.S. regulators about crypto frameworks and ETF rulings. Liquidity. Stablecoin reserves are growing, showing that investors are keeping more capital on the sidelines. Regional dynamics. The Middle East and Asia are becoming major hubs for blockchain adoption and crypto infrastructure. When institutional money comes back, that could trigger the next rally, but for now, they're waiting for clarity. Wrap up. To sum it up, the crypto market is at a crossroads. Bitcoin is testing a key psychological level, and investor sentiment is cautious. Whether we bounce or break will depend on how global markets and the Fed move next. As always, stay informed, manage your risk, and keep a long-term mindset. This has been Cryptomania, If you enjoyed the update, hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and drop a comment. What do you think Bitcoin's next move will be? See you in the next episode.
All right, that's a wrap for today's crypto update. The market may look shaky right now, but remember, volatility creates opportunity. The key is to stay patient, stay smart, and stay informed. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cryptomania, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next update. Tell us in the comments, do you think Bitcoin will bounce back above 110K this week? Or are we heading lower? I'll be reading and replying to your takes. Thanks for watching, stay strong, and as always, keep your mind sharp and your portfolio ready. This is your name from Cryptomania, signing off. See you in the next one.